and welcome back to another unboxing video. I am Geeky.
And I'm Cece. Welcome back to Geeky and Sister.
And right
Today
now,
we're unboxing LOL Little's Winter Disco.
Oh yeah. Here we go. But I have gotten having a movie night. Let's have one.
I have having a movie night.
What is with this? Oh, and don't forget, we have other videos, so go to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to the other videos. But
Click the notification bell and subscribe.
here. Ooh, two perfect ones.
So, I have a pink ball.
You got a girl. I feel like it because last time I got a blue one, like right now, and it
I
was
can
a boy.
actually make a snow baby now.
Cool.
Here are the stickers. If you have a Winter Disco baby, if you have a Winter Disco pet and a Winter Disco little, then you can make a snow baby because you can stack them onto each other. Is this the baby or the bag? That is the bag.
Yeah.
Wait, is this the baby or is this yours?
Here's the one here's the first that I got.
I got a rainbow one. Don't tell me if you know who it is. Because
You got so lucky. I'm not gonna tell you, but you got so lucky.
is this the baby? Yes, that is.
Ew, sunglasses.
Oh wait, this is your baby.
I have some glasses.
I accidentally took Scarlett's baby. On
3,
accident.
2, 1. Booyah! Little swag boy, Violet.
Wait,
You
are
already
these-
have swag. Little swag boy.
Do you want to try it? No, I'm kidding. Okay. Let's see. I have no idea who she is.
It's little rainbow raver. Oh my gosh, wait, they're all color changers.
Wait, they. Is she a hot warmer?
Cece, yours is fancy and mine is popular.
Hello, bro. Hello, bro. Are you happy and back? Yes. And who's this wall?
That's Rainbow Waller.
Hey, yo. I'm fancy. He's popular.
I want to go in warm water. I want a bed.
This is the warm water. Does he change in the warm water?
Oh.
This guy doesn't change in warm water.
Let me try cold.
Yeah, they probably change in cold water. What? Aren't they supposed to be color changers?
Okay, so apparently these guys don't color change. Cause look
It
at
says that they color change.
this one is warm. This one is cold.
We don't color change. I thought you guys were supposed to color change. Well, I want to take a bath.
With your clothes on?
They're waterproof.
You should. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna add these to our collection. Next time you'll see us, we're gonna be unboxing Universe. You and I.